Oh, okay, no, I'll talk to you. Hey, Daddy, how are you?
Well, yourself, Ndati.
I can see the community. There was a meeting now today to expel those who are undocumented, who are illegal here in Tumahola. What is it that you can say? Why are you here? Why did you attend the meeting?
I attend the meeting because we are, like we said, we are gutful for these foreigners taking our jobs, killing our children with the drugs, putting stuff into the sweeties to kill the children. They have no economic right in South Africa because they didn't even pay their 5 million to come into my country. Now the country is over flooded. What did the government do to stop that by the borders? Nothing. Now we are struggling for work. Our own people are sitting by the streets without jobs, sitting outside the hospitals because the foreigners are inside the hospital. But the clinics, the same thing. Our people must sit outside. The foreigners are inside. The doctors are looking after them, and our people are going down. Our children is dying because of the drugs of these foreigners coming to our country.
Are you going to chase foreigners or undocumented or even the documented ones, the legal ones? Are you going to chase them away? Or it's only undocumented ones?
Undocumented ones that is coming into my country must leave the country. Because if you are documented, you must have the 5 million to put on the table. Where's your 5 million?
Okay.
Where's your 5 million? Put it on the table, your papers is in order, you are all right.
But we know that these people, they don't have 5 million, but they've started their businesses. What is it that you like to say to them?
They must go. Abahambe, Baba, Abahambe, leave my country. Leave my country, we are coming for you.
Okay, if they don't go, what is going to happen on the 30th of June?
There's going to be consequences. There's going to be consequences. I can't tell what's going to happen. It's not in my hands. It's in the community's hands. The community are hurtful for these foreigners.
Okay. No, thank you, Ndati.
Thanks very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mapa.
Thank you.